How to use HelloFresh Marketplace add-ons. In order to use HelloFresh Marketplace add-ons, you must first have an active meal kit subscription. These items are added to your existing weekly delivery and cannot be ordered as a standalone shipment. So what you'll need to do is open the HelloFresh app onto your device, after which you then need to simply go to your meal sections. So from the very home page, you should be able to find a meal. Simply want to make sure to go to the quick meal sections or just go to a meal section. Here you have to navigate to the most recent, or you could also scroll past your main recipe section or just tap on market or add-on tabs as well. Then you could go ahead and explore the specialized sections like quick meal, a ready to heat and eat meal, or a breakfast and brunch, egg bites, waffles, and smoothie bundles as well. And you could also go ahead and spice the blends and grains and produce as well. You could go ahead and look for this in the sections. So that is how you will be able to use HelloFresh Marketplace add-on. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.